morning student. This video is for class 10 students. Student, today we will discuss distance, speed and time based question. In this question, through this question I want to clarify your doubt. The bus, it has to cover 240 km by the uniform speed. So here I made this bus 240 km it has to cover from A to B, and the speed it has taken x kilometer per hour. Okay, so time, what will be the time will be basically distance upon because speed is equal to basically distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So 240 upon x is the value of time 1 when it has to cover this distance by this speed x kilometer per hour. Now what happened, due to rain the speed has to decrease 10 kilometer less. So new speed is basically x minus 10 kilometer per hour. Now time is distance upon speed again, 240 upon x minus 10, it is the value of t2. It is already given that the difference of these two times is 2 hours, means in second case it has taken 2 hours more. So t2 minus t1 is 2 hours. So value of t2 I have substituted here 240 upon x minus 10, and here the value of t1 is 240 upon x, and it is equal to 2. So we have to simplify this equation and then simplify it and make the quadratic equation and then get the value of x. That we have to do. Now we have to take the LCM over here. The LCM is x and x minus 10, and 240 you can take common. It is basically x minus x plus 10 is equal to 2. So this x is cancelled out by this x. So it is 240 into 10 upon x square minus 10x is equal to 2. So what you do, 2 1 2, 2 5 10. Here you can cancel it out and you start writing the equations. X square minus 10x is equal to 5 0 0, 5 4 20, carry 2, 5 to 10 or to 12, 1200. So this equation is there. Shift this 1200 in the left side and try to simplify and get the value of x. So we have an equation here, x square minus 10x is equal to 1200. We have to simplify this equation. This equation I solved here, x square minus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0. 40 and 30 are the factors. So we got two factors here, x minus 40 and x plus 30. So it has given two answers, x is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 30, but x is equal to minus 30 is an invalid answer, so there is no need to write. So you write x is equal to 40 km per hour. This is your answer. So what was the question? Question was like this: the bus was there, it has to cover 240 km with this speed x km per hour. This is x km per hour. That I have assumed. Okay, it is given in question also, x km per hour. So time, distance upon speed 240 upon x, it has come. Due to rain, the new speed has become x minus 10 because the speed has decreased. Due to this, time has taken more. So time is distance upon speed 240 upon x minus 10 because it has to go same distance. So t2 minus t1, the difference, it is given 2 hours difference is there. It has taken more time than the previous one. So t2 minus t1 is 2 hours. I have substituted the value of t2 and t1 here, taken the LCM, and we got this equation. This I simplified here. This I simplified here, and two factors, x minus 40 and x plus 30. So we got two factors here, and we simplified it. So this is the right way to solve this question. So your homework part is question number 26, 27, 28, 29, 13, 31 is same method you have to apply over here, but I want to give the hint for this question number 26. In question number 26, they have given two trains. One is express train and another is a ordinary train. Speed is express train x km per hour, it is given, and the ordinary train speed is 12 km less than the speed of express train. So x minus 12 it is there. So time taken for this, for covering this distance 240 kilometer, it is 240 upon x for the express train, and for T2 for this ordinary train is 240 upon x minus 12. Ordinary train has taken more time than this express train, so T2 minus T1, it is given 1 hour. This difference is given, so I substituted the value of T2 and T1 and I got this relationship. If I will take the LCM and simplify just like question number 25, I will get the value of x. So that we have to calculate, that what is the speed of the express train, that we have to calculate. So take the hint from these questions and try to simplify these homework questions. Once more you can have a look of these homework questions and try to do all the questions in your fair copy and try to learn it. Thank you very much.